Hello dear creatives, welcome to another interesting tutorial on this channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to create Handfan base from scratch to finish. So these are better Handfan base I created with carton. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process. Please endeavor to watch this video to the end and also like and comment on this video. These are the materials I'm going to be needing. I'm going to be needing carton, a round shape object. I'll be using gum. You can go ahead and use any gum of your choice. I'm also going to be needing knife, cane. This is the regular cane for flogging children. And I'm also going to be needing a pen. I'll place the round shape object on the carton and I'm going to rule or draw out a round shape on the carton. I'll be needing two of these, so I'll go ahead and draw out or rule out another round shape. Next, I'm going to get my pair of scissors and I'm going to be cutting out the round shape I rule on the carton. Now I'll get the cane and I will measure at 10.5 inches. The length is 10.5 inches. You may want to use 11 inches or 10 inches. Then I'll get my knife to cut the cane. Can you see? Now I'm going to get my hot glue gun to attach the cane to the carton. So my hot glue gun is plugged to an electric socket. I will apply the gum on one tip of the cane and then I'm going to place it on here. So to attach the other carton, I'm going to apply my gum. You may want to use UHC gum to gum this to the other carton. I'll apply the gum generously and then I'll place the other part of the carton on it. Now I'm going to get my scissors to trim off the excess carton. Can you see? So if there's any part that is open, I will apply my gum again and then I will gum it down. So this is it, can you see? The next thing I want to do is to cover this up with satin fabric. I'm going to apply gum on one side of the Handfan base before I'll cover it with the satin fabric. This time around, I'm not going to be using hot glue gun. If you use the hot glue gun, you will not have a smooth surface on your work. So I will go with the UHC gum, or I may even want to use my B6000 or E7000 gum. So I'll apply the gum generously and then I'll place the fabric on the carton. Next, I'm going to get my scissors to trim off the excess fabric, but I'm going to be leaving about 1/4 inch that I'm going to be using to fold in the tip. Now I'll get my hot glue gun and I'm going to apply my hot glue gun on here and then I'll fold in the excess fabric. Now I'm going to use same procedure to cover the other side of the handfan base with the fabric. I'll apply the gum generously and then I'll place the fabric on the carton. I'm going to use my hands to smoothen this properly before I'll go ahead and use my scissors to trim off the excess fabric. I'll get the hot glue gun. I'm going to apply the hot glue gun and I'll fold in the excess fabric on here. So before I continue, I'm going to trim off the excess fabric. And the last thing I want to do is to wrap or cover the handle with trimmings. So you can either use trimmings or ribbon. If you have made it this far to this part of the video and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please click that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. Also like this video and comment on this video. Let me know what you feel about this particular tutorial. After wrapping the handle, this is what I have. Can you see? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you got value from this video, please endeavor to like this video and drop a nice comment for us in the comment section of this video.